Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and get the video started. What is up, YouTube? This is Jolo2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to be talking about some brand new Yeezy releases, some Calabasas track pants, and just some Yeezy news. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the Calabasas track pants. The first one that's going to be coming out is going under the colorway name Wolves/Black colorway, and the second one is actually going to be a Luna, or like a gray with a little bit of navy blue colorway. Those are going to be coming out in fall of 2018, so definitely be looking forward to those. I don't think they look as good as what the red and maroon pair look, and if you want a pair of $150 pair of track pants, that's all you. So alright, so the next set of news is that there is a brand new pair of Yeezy 700s, not any ordinary Yeezy 700, but Yeezy 700 V2. And we're gonna go ahead and mass produce it just like we did the 350 V2, and then we're gonna get oversaturated, and then the Yeezy hype is gonna go down just like it already is. So yeah, we are so excited for the 700 V2. The only difference that I can clearly see from this one or two pictures that I've actually seen is that there's a lot more mesh than the other regular 700, and maybe a few of the structural changes, but besides that, it's kind of essentially the same shoe. Oh, and with those brand new 700 V2, there's actually gonna be an approved colorway that is gonna be coming out in fall of 2018, so that's another thing that we could actually be looking forward to if you're into this colorway, which I'm not too much of a fan of. In all honesty, I probably won't even try to get them. They come out fall 2018 if you're also into that. So alright, so the next silhouette that's going to be coming out is yet another Yeezy 500. Now I got a pair of the blush, oh god, it's too bright. Now I got a pair of these blush 500s, and I gotta say they're really dope. I wouldn't say they're the most comfortable sneakers in the world, but overall I really do love the silhouette and how it looks. But I'm kind of not looking forward to the mass producing this one if that's what they do. But at the same time, I really like this silhouette compared to the other, like the 350 V2s. Even though it's not as comfortable, I really do like the silhouette because it sticks out and it just says dad sneaker, which is something that I'm actually getting into. And it's going to be coming out in the salt colorway. It's like an all white colorway, but if I had to guess, it's going to be like an off-white kind of colorway. No shots at Virgil Abloh. But that's going to be coming out October 2018, so I definitely will be getting my hands on a pair of those. Next up, something that we've all been waiting for. Everyone that says they've wanted Yeezys and they said they wanted the V2 and the Zebras, they're gonna be getting it. Not only are we gonna get a pair of the Zebras, but we are also gonna get a pair of the Yebras. Yes, the yellow 350 V2, and I'm so excited because I wasn't able to get it on the first release, and I was very disappointed I wasn't able to get this semi-frozen yellow colorway, but now they're gonna be re-releasing them, and knowing my luck, I will be getting those, so I really hope I won't take an L out there on that day. But those will also be releasing in October 2018, so we got a lot of things coming out in October, so be ready for that. And actually, I'm going to talk about a pair of sneakers that are going to be coming out very soon, which is June 9th. June 9th, we're gonna have a pair of Yeezy 500s, and just like what I said, I love the 500 silhouette, and I cannot wait to try to get my hands on a pair of these. Kais Omar actually had it and he showed it off because he actually got it from that package deal that they were selling on Yeezy Supply. I was definitely not gonna spend, I think it was like $500, $600 on the whole pack. I'm very happy that they're gonna have this as an individual release so we can have those SUPERMOON yellow, and I'm gonna love having those along with the semi-frozen yellows and the salt colorway of the 500. So be looking for my collection, and I'm gonna be filling up all these containers right here. I might have to go pick up some more because fall is gonna be the time of the year, and pretty soon we're actually gonna be having all those Dragon Ball Z collaborations with Adidas, and let's just say Kamehameha. Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Jolo2TV, always in the gym, out.